Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and I think I said that the last time I made a video. It's just stuff at the shop is really busy. We have a tough time keeping up with the work, let alone doing side stuff like making videos. But there's been some big changes this year. Had to hire some new guys and going through some big upgrades and stuff. And starting in April, end of March, beginning of April, it's probably one of the biggest changes that I've ever done, and been wanting to do it for a while. Finally pulled the trigger on it, and I'm really glad I did it. It's helped us a lot this year. We've made us even busier, but it's helped the business, helped the shop out. So we're growing and expanding, and stick around. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is it, guys. I'm now a dealer for Spartan Mowers, and it's been one of the best decisions I've made for the shop since I opened. Started selling them beginning of April, and we've sold several now. It's October 3rd. Really glad I did it. I was nervous at first, and still am, I guess. But it's been an awesome ride. I've enjoyed it. So this is our RZHD model. It's my demo model for the shop. Brought it home, gonna do some videos with it. Gonna try it out, see how it does. One of my other guys took it and mowed and tried it out a couple weekends ago. Loved it. So maybe I will too. The grass is starting to quit growing right now, but I've got a little bit I can do, and then I've got another yard that I'm going to go take it to and try out. This one's got the top of the line seat, fully adjustable. It's got the assist handle, got the arm pads, and I'll probably end up putting a light bar on it just to show customers what all you can do. But yeah, I'm pumped, man. Everybody's really liked them. Haven't had any negative reviews yet. Just things are built like a tank, man. Alright guys, there it is. This is a RZHD, but it's a shop's demo model. So I'm gonna do in-depth video on each different model. I'll be bringing them home or doing videos at the shop. So I don't really want to go too in-depth on the RZHD in this video. Just want to give you a little glimpse of what we've been dealing with for the past few months and how awesome these things look. If you hadn't heard of them, or if you don't know much about them, you need to check them out. They're made in Batesville, Arkansas, and they are super affordable for what you get. Everything that you might get on a big name brand, you get on this for a lot less money. I just did a couple hot laps around the yard, kind of got it a little dirty. I was too excited to stop and make a video, but this one's got a couple add-ons that we did for a demo model, like the assist handle and some arm pads. I'm gonna put a light bar on it. It's got an upgraded seat, but it's been a great company to partner with. They've treated us really well, and they have some good incentives and financing and everything. And I've actually launched a website for my business, so I'll put a link in the description below. What else? Within the past 2-3 weeks, started selling feed at my shop too. Trying to expand a little bit, think of some stuff to help us in the wintertime. Been wanting to do it for a while. My local area is pretty limited on farm and ranch supply stuff, so I'm gonna try to help fill that void in the market. Maybe it'll bring a few more people in, get a little more foot traffic, and show them some of these Spartans, and move a couple of more of them. But this one's got the Cowie. Got a 54-inch deck on this one. They come in, well, starting 2021 models, you'll have a 42-inch, 48-inch, 54, 61, and a 72. So they've got some new stuff coming out. They've got a ride-on coming out instead of a sit-down zero turn, aimed at the commercial guys a little bit. So maybe we'll get to see some of those running around. But it's nice to drive down the road and see some of these gunmetal gray mowers in people's yard and know that they got them from you. And the more that people see them, the more that people will want them. There's not much else out there that looks this cool.